So today we're going to learn about two words that you have probably never heard of, and those are connotation and denotation. Now, if you've never heard of it, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you what they mean. But here's a little hint. Think figurative and literal. All right, let's go. All right. We are going to look at connotative and denotative. So these are some fun words that will make you feel really fancy when you use them. But basically, we're taking a closer look at figurative and literal language. All right, denotation. Let's get started. Denotation is the literal definition. It is what you would find in the dictionary. And how I remember it is denotation starts with a D, dictionary starts with a D. There we go. Instant memory. So denotation is the literal definition you would find in the dictionary. It is the precise and straightforward. So there's no emotions associated with the word. The meaning remains the same despite your personal experiences. And we're going to look at that in just a little bit. On the other hand, connotation. Connotation is the emotion and feelings and ideas a word brings to mind. So this is a type of figurative language, so it goes beyond the literal definition. So it could either be a positive or negative based on how the word is used. So it helps set the tone, which is another great language arts word. So 3 examples of connotative meanings. Let's look at this one, blue. It is a color, but connotatively, it could mean someone who's sad. So if we look it up in the dictionary, we would see blue like a hue, a color. But if you think of the connotative definition, it's someone who's sad. And it reminds me of that movie, what's that movie? Inside Out, where it had sadness. She's the color blue. So obviously it's a negative connotation. I already answered my question. All right, let's look at vanilla. It's a substance obtained from vanilla beans. But connotatively, it could be used to describe someone as plain or ordinary. So do you think that's positive or negative connotation? Some people might agree or disagree with this, but typically being described as vanilla has a negative connotation. All right, last one, lit. All my students say this. That was lit today, Miss Kepley. Maybe I dream they say that, but I wish they would say that. Anyway, lit. This is the past tense to light. That's our dictionary definition. But connotatively, it could be used to describe something as exciting and amazing. So, is this positive or negative connotation? Obviously, it's positive. Let's take a closer look about how connotation and tone are related. So some words have positive and negative feelings associated with them. So when an author uses these words, it contributes to the tone of the writing and it helps set the mood. So, neutral. We have a visitor in our home. If we want to change that to a positive connotation, we change the word visitor. We have a guest in our home. And finally, negative, we have an intruder in our home. So we take one word and we change it. All right, so let's try. I want you to write a positive and negative connotative word for unusual. All right, go ahead and press pause. I want you to jot this down. Super, we are back. So what did you get? What are your examples for unusual? So I think maybe a positive word would be unique, and negative could probably be something like bizarre. Bizarre would be a good negative word. So if you are into analogies, let's look at this. Connotative is to figurative, as denotative is to literal. More example, we have the word star. So I want you to think denotative and possible connotative meanings. So I want you to pause really quick, and then if you have a friend near you, maybe you could talk about this, or if you're by yourself, just jot down some ideas. Alrighty, we are back. So let's look. What did we get for a denotative definition of star? Maybe like a ball of gas burning in space. I don't know. I haven't even looked up the dictionary definition, but it's something along those lines, I'm sure. So what about connotative? So connotative is all about the emotions and feelings. When I think of star, I think of someone who shines bright at something they're doing. They're above and beyond everybody else. They're a star. So that would be the connotative meaning for the word. I hope you're starting to get the hang of it. So I do have a little Quizizz review for you if you want to go over these terms and review them. If you are a teacher friend, in the description below, I have linked up a mini lesson that goes with this slide, and it has some activities to help your students dive a little bit deeper. And also the Quizizz link is there too. So happy learning, happy teaching. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.